Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Figma Desktop on Mac step by step. Figma is a popular design tool used for UI design, prototyping, and real-time collaboration. Using the desktop app gives you better performance and quick access to your projects. This tutorial works on both Intel Mac and Apple Silicon Mac, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. In the address bar, go to figma.com/downloads. I'll also leave the link in the video description below. Once the website loads, scroll down to the Desktop App section. Click Desktop App for macOS. The download will start automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Figma installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Figma app into the Applications folder. This will copy Figma to your Mac. When it's finished, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open Applications and double-click Figma to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When Figma launches for the first time, it may take a few moments to download all the required Figma resources. It may also ask for permissions like file access. Make sure to allow this so everything works properly. After that, you'll be asked to log in. Sign in with your Figma account, Google account, or email. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Figma Desktop on your Mac. You're now ready to design interfaces, create prototypes, and collaborate with your team directly from the desktop app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.